Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Pinoy macarons. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients, such as finely ground almond flour, powdered sugar, and fresh egg whites. It's crucial to have all your ingredients at room temperature for optimal mixing. Also, prepare your baking sheets with parchment paper and have a piping bag ready with a round tip. This initial setup ensures a smooth process for delicious results. Next, we move to the heart of macaron making, the macaronage. First, sift your almond flour and powdered sugar together very well. Then, whip your egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks, slowly incorporating granulated sugar. The magic happens when you gently fold the dry mixture into the meringue. Aim for a flowing, lava-like consistency that ribbons off your spatula. This delicate balance is key to perfect shells. Now for the fun part, piping. Using your prepared piping bag, create uniform circles, approximately 1 1/2 inches in diameter, on your parchment-lined baking sheet. Once piped, firmly tap the sheet against your counter a few times to eliminate any air bubbles. This prevents cracking. Finally, let your macarons rest for about 30 to 60 minutes, or until a dry, non-sticky skin forms on top. This step is vital for developing their signature feat. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your macarons for 12 to 15 minutes, rotating the tray halfway through for even cooking. Once baked, let them cool completely on the baking sheet before carefully peeling them off. This prevents breakage. Finally, fill your beautiful shells with delicious Pinoy-inspired flavors like yub, pandan, or a rich dulce de leche. Enjoy your homemade Pinoy macarons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.